So here we'll set this up algebraically. We're starting with 10,000 rupees deposited for a number of years. I'm going to call that T years. And it's earning simple interest, 5%. So the annual interest would be 500 rupees. And it would be the same for every year. So the total interest earned would be 500 T rupees. So that means that the balance at the end of this T-year period would be 10,000 plus 500 T. And they tell us that this amount is then deposited for 5 years at a simple interest rate of 6% per annum. So the interest per year would be this amount. And the total would be, this is what you're earning every year. So in 5 years, this would be the amount of interest. Now we're told that if the interest received from Bank A and Bank B are in the ratio 10 to 13. So we're only looking at the interest part. So for Bank A, the interest is 500 T, because it's 500 every year times the number of years. And then this is for Bank B. And we're told that this ratio is 10 to 13. So that's our equation that will help us figure out what T is. So I'm going to divide this by the 100. That becomes 100 T, and at this point I'll rewrite this. 10 over 13, then divide both sides by 10. That's going to become 10T, cross multiply. So 130 T, 6 times 100 plus 5T, distribute. That gives you 100 T is 600, which means T is 6. That's our answer. Now in the exam, if you have time, you can just confirm your work. Sometimes it's easy to make a mistake, perhaps in setting it up. So here, in 5 years, you're making 500, in 1 year. So in 6 years, that would be 3,000 rupees. And then the balance at the end of that period at Bank A would be then 13,000 rupees. And then you're earning 6% on that. So 6% for 5 years. So that would be 780 times 5. So 3,900 rupees would be earned at Bank B. And the ratio, we're just checking, is that 10 to 13? And you will see, divide by 3, it is indeed 10 to 13. So if you have the luxury of checking your work, you can always do that. That way you'll be certain that you have the right answer, which is A.